Welcome back. Today is the big one, networking fundamentals. This is the topic that scares people, but it doesn't need to. Let's break it down. Every device on a network has an IP address. IPv4 addresses look like 192.168.1.5, four numbers separated by dots, each between 0 and 255. This address tells the network exactly where to send data. Now, subnetting. A subnet mask like 255.255.255.0 tells the device which part of the IP address is the network and which part is the host. In 192.168.1.5, with a 255.255.255.0 mask, the network is 192.168.1 and the host is 50. That means devices from 192.168.1.1 through 192.168.1.254 are all on the same network. They can talk directly to each other. Subnetting matters because it controls how you organize your network. You might put servers on one subnet, workstations on another, and guest Wi-Fi on a third, keeping them separated. When something breaks, here's your troubleshooting process. First, ping the loopback address. Ping 127.0.0.1. That confirms the network stack works. Second, ping the gateway. That's your router. Third, ping a public IP like 8.8.8.8. Fourth, ping a domain like google.com. If DNS resolution fails, but IP pings work, you have a DNS problem. If nothing pings, you have a connectivity problem. Next lesson, we cover ticketing systems and help desk best practices.